Hey there, Stallions. Miss C again with one more 2-minute tip for today. Starting next week, we'll hopefully be hearing from some of our AVID students with organizational tips for you. But my second tip is going to be about Google Classroom. So do me a favor. In your portal, click on your Google Classroom tab. When you click on it, it's always going to default you to your home. Let's get rid of that side panel. So we can close that, right? Your portal, Google Classroom home is just like the portal, and all of these can be dropped and dragged. So if I wanted to go backwards for my classes, I can move them around. If I'm in my class of classroom, let's say I'm class of 2026, and I want that to be at the very top, I drag it on up. It's slow. And you drop it wherever you think it's a best fit for you. Maybe you put that at the top. So again, all of these icons on your classroom home can be moved and manipulated. So for me, my brain, it works best in order. So I have a first, a 1A, a 2A, and a 4A. And then after that, I have 5B, 6B, I guess that goes there, 7B. And then if I was keeping my class of 2026, that could be first, or maybe I want to tuck that after my classes. So now I have 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, my class of, there's my master class and other things. So that is your quick tip